Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting review of the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe, a car that blends cutting-edge technology with vintage French elegance. The DS21 Coupe is a reimagined classic, capturing the essence of Citroen's iconic design, but with modern features and performance upgrades. So, let's take a closer look at the exterior, interior, performance, and pricing of this stunning vehicle. When it comes to the exterior of the DS21 Coupe, it's hard not to notice how Citroën has maintained the timeless appeal of the original DS series while giving it a fresh, modern twist. The body features smooth, flowing lines, accentuating a sense of luxury and sophistication. The front end boasts a sleek, angular grille with the iconic Citroën logo, surrounded by sharp LED headlights that provide a futuristic look. The Coupe's aerodynamic design is both functional and stylish, allowing for improved performance on the road. The signature wheel arches and low profile of the DS21 Coupe add to its sporty stance, making it a true head-turner. The exterior is available in a range of elegant colors, including deep metallic blues and rich silvers, giving you options to customize your ride. Stepping inside the DS21 Coupe, you're immediately greeted by a luxurious and tech-laden cabin. Citroën has blended comfort and innovation seamlessly in the interior design. The cockpit is driver-centered, with a minimalist yet futuristic layout. The dashboard features a large digital display, offering intuitive controls for navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The materials used throughout the cabin are premium, with leather upholstery and brushed metal accents providing a sophisticated ambience. The seats are ergonomically designed for long-distance comfort, with adjustable settings for heating, ventilation, and even massage functionality in the higher trims. One of the standout features of the interior is the new DS Connect system. This includes a state-of-the-art infotainment system with voice recognition and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's also worth mentioning the enhanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a surround view camera system, all making their way into this modern iteration of the DS21. The interior space is more spacious than ever, with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a comfortable ride for everyone. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe delivers a smooth and powerful driving experience. It's equipped with a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor in some variants, providing impressive efficiency without sacrificing power. The standard engine offers around 250 horsepower, which is more than enough for a spirited drive, while the hybrid variant boosts that number to 300 horsepower for those seeking extra performance. Citroën has also focused on refining the suspension system, delivering a comfortable yet agile ride. The DS21 Coupe features the brand's signature hydropneumatic suspension system, which ensures that the car floats over bumps and uneven surfaces, offering a truly luxurious driving experience. Handling is responsive with a light steering feel, making it perfect for both city driving and longer highway trips. For those who enjoy a more spirited driving experience, the DS21 Coupe features multiple drive modes, allowing you to select between comfort, sport, and eco modes to suit your mood or the driving conditions. The car also features an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent traction and stability, especially in tricky weather conditions. As for safety, Citroën has packed the DS21 Coupe with all the latest safety technologies. Along with the driver assistance features I mentioned earlier, you get front and side airbags, a robust frame, and an intelligent braking system that can anticipate collisions and apply emergency braking when needed. Now, let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe starts at around $60,000. At around $75,000 for the base model, which gives you a solid package of features, including the turbocharged engine and the luxurious interior touches. If you're looking for the hybrid variant with the upgraded performance, you'll be looking at a starting price of approximately $50,000. This is for the top-of-the-line models with all the bells and whistles, like the enhanced infotainment system, massaging seats, and higher performance engine. Prices can climb to around $6,500. This places the DS21 Coupe in a competitive price range for a luxury coupe, especially considering the level of technology, comfort, and performance that comes with it. To sum up, the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe is a breathtaking blend of retro charm and futuristic design. From its elegant exterior to the luxurious and tech-rich interior, the car delivers a smooth and powerful driving experience. With a price range that makes it accessible for those seeking high-end performance without breaking the bank, the DS21 Coupe is set to become a favorite among luxury car enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for a comfortable cruiser or a stylish sports coupe, the DS21 Coupe is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.